Okay. Here limit of the continuity delta epsilon definition means function f of x comma y is tends to L. That is nothing but the function has some L limit in the boundary of epsilon distance. It is the function value. We know that for any point we can take and substitute in the function, we are getting the one value. That is, this is the xy plane. It is the function of xy plane. The f from if any function can be taking the relation of the two sets. Okay, that is A and B sets are there. This is the F relation, F mapping from A to B. How we are taking for the A and B sets. For only single mapping, it can be discussed for only single variable, that is the +2 standard. In the higher standard, we discussed for several variables. It has more than 1 or 2, 3 variables. Okay. In that, the function has some particular boundary epsilon distance. In this, all area functional values are continuity, where from which x and y also having some particular distance of delta, that is small delta. That is the relation for the limits. The differential means we can take the difference in particular variable if the function has more than one variable. So it is denoted by the dou by dou x of any function. If we can take on which variable the difference is there, that is the derivative of the such variable. It is denoted by either suffix x means we can taking differentiation for particular that variable, or that is also denoted by dou f by dou x. Similarly, dou f by dou y. It is the general theoretical definition of the limits and continuity. But we know the differential formulas. By using of differential formulas, we can apply on the function has more than one variable or the function has several variables. Okay. And the differentiation in this we can take for higher order also. For particularly first order means that is f suffix x, f suffix y. For higher order means higher order partial differentiation. That is nothing but f suffix xx or higher order, f suffix xy, f suffix yx, f suffix yy. That is nothing but it is also denoted by dou square f by dou x square, dou square f by dou x dou y, dou square f by dou y dou x, dou square f by dou y square. Like this, the notations or whatever it may be, just we can concentrate about the differentiation of particular variables. Okay, this is the high partial differentiation. That is nothing but first we can take the difference of function for x variable. Again take the difference of x variable, that is fxx. Okay. This is the just how we can define the higher order partial differentiation for theoretical way. Okay. Next, yes, we can discuss about problems of the partial differential functions or partial differentiation. Okay. First problem, find the curves. Here what they are asking, find the first and second order partial derivatives of function. Let the given function, it is in x and y variable, so we can take f of x comma y equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. In this, we can find out the first and second order means we have an idea about what are the first and second order partial derivatives of the given function. Here, suppose we can take the given function f means the first order derivatives are dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y. The second order derivatives are dou square f by x square, dou square f by dou y square, dou square f by dou x, dou y, dou square f by dou y, dou x. These are the second order derivatives. If we have an idea, then we can easy to solve what are the first and second order the partial derivatives of the function. Okay. Here f is differentiating with respect to x. That is nothing but f suffix x. It is nothing but dou by dou x. That is equal to dou f by dou x. That is equal to dou by dou x of what is the f function ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Here, keep in your mind y treating as a constant. What are the a, h values are the same like that only y treating as a constant. Just we can concentrate about the x variable. We are applying the derivative formula for x variable only. It is equal to a is a constant, derivative of x square. We know that d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Just here we can write 2 into x power 2 minus 1 is 2x plus here 2hy is a constant. X differentiation is 1 plus y component is a constant. So constant differentiation is 0. So here f suffix x equal to 2ax plus 2hy. Similarly, we can differentiating function f with respect to y means dou by dou y of f or dou f by dou y is equal to dou by dou y of f function ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Here also x treating as a constant. This is a constant ax square. It is equal to 0 plus 2hx is a constant. Y differentiation is 1 plus y square differentiation is 2. So f suffix y equal to 2hx plus 2by. Next again find out the second derivatives f xy, that is nothing but dou square f by dou x dou y equal to dou by dou y of or dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. It is equal to dou by dou x of what is the dou f by dou y, f suffix y, that is 2hx plus 2by. Here x is a differentiable variable, y treating as a constant. So second function is 0, it is 2h. So from this we can write fxy equal to 2h. Next f suffix yx, that is nothing but dou square f by dou y dou x. It is equal to dou by dou y of dou f by dou x equal to dou by dou y of what is dou f by dou x, that is f suffix x 2ax plus 2hy. X variable treating as a constant, constant differentiation is 0 plus 2h, y differentiation is 1. So from this fyx is equal to 2h only. Next we can find out f suffix xx, that is dou square f by dou x square equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. It is equal to dou by dou x of what is f suffix x, dou f by dou x 2ax plus 2hy equal to here y treating as a constant, it is 0, x derivative is 1, so 2a into 1 it is equal to 2a. From this, fxx equal to 2a, that is second order partial derivative. Fyy, that is dou square f by dou y square equal to dou by dou y of dou f by dou y equal to dou by dou y of dou f by dou y is 2hx plus 2by equal to x differentiation is 0 with respect to y plus y differentiation is 1, 2b is a constant, 2b into 1 equal to 2b. From this, f suffix yy equal to 2b. Therefore, we can write from this, therefore, f suffix x equal to 2ax plus 2hy, it is equal to dou f by dou x, f suffix y equal to 2hx plus 2by, it is dou f by dou y. These are first order partial derivatives. Second order is fxx, that is dou square f by dou x square equal to 2a. Fyy equal to dou square f by dou y square equal to 2b. Next, fxy equal to dou square f by dou x dou y equal to 2h. F suffix yx equal to dou square f by dou y dou x equal to 2h. From the last two, we can conclude that therefore f suffix xy equal to 2h equal to f suffix yx, or dou square f by dou x dou y equal to dou square f by dou y dou x. This is the verification. Just again you can read out the question, then you are getting the what is the solution. Here, verify dou square f by dou x dou y equal to dou square f by dou y dou x. This is. The next problem, if u is a function, that function can be expressed as logarithmic function of the three variables x square plus y square plus z square. Prove that x square plus y square plus z square into dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square, then it will be equal to 2. We can show that LHS is equal to RHS. First, we can take what they have given the function. Let u equal to log of x square plus y square plus z square. What is the differentiation of the log x? That is 1 by
1
x.
by x.
X differentiation is 1. In the same way, we can find out dou u by dou x is equal to log x, that is dou by x of log of x square plus y square plus z square. It is equal to 1 by x square plus y square plus z square. Log, it is whole x that will come in the denominator. Again, dou by dou x of x square plus y square plus z square. It is equal to derivative of x square plus y square plus z square means y square z square, or treating as a constant, is 2 will become 0. X square differentiation is x by x square plus y square plus z square. It is the dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou y is equal to dou by dou y of log of x square plus y square plus z square. It is equal to 1 by x square plus y square plus z square into 2y. Similarly, dou u by dou z is also 1 by x square plus y square plus z square into 2z. These are the first derivatives. Next, we can find out the second order partial derivatives. That is dou square u by dou x square equal to dou by dou x of 2x by x square plus y square plus z square. It is in the form of u by v. We know that dou by dou x of u by v equal to v dou u by dou x minus u dou v by dou x whole by v square. Here 2x is u. In the denominator, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to v. So first we can take v function x square plus y square plus z square dou u by dou x of 2x, that is only 2, x differentiation is 1, minus u is 2x, and v differentiation with respect to x is again 2x will get. Denominator x square plus y square plus z square whole square. It's equal to 2 into x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2 to the 4 x square over x square plus y square plus z square whole square is equal to 2 is taking common. Here x square minus 4x square is minus 2x square. So it is y square plus z square minus x square divides x square plus y square plus z square whole square. Just here you can observe it. When we can take the differentiation for double of x variable, then it is minus x square. And the log function having the same notations, either x, y, z, all are having the same components, x square plus y square plus z square. After doing with respect to y also, you are getting the same differentiation, but the variables are different. Similarly, we can write dou square u by dou y square equal to 2 into x square plus z square minus y square whole by x square plus y square plus z square whole square and dou square u by dou z square equal to 2 into x square plus y square minus z square whole by x square plus y square plus z square whole square. What they are asking? Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square. It is multiple with x square plus y square plus z square. That is LHS. We are taking LHS. It is equal to x square plus y square plus z square into, just we can take adding of three functions, dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square, dou square u by dou z square. Then denominators all are same. Just we can take LCM of all denominators, x square plus y square plus z square whole square. And in the all numerators having the 2 is the common, that is the multiple. Then taking common from the three terms and write the remaining terms, y square plus z square minus x square. It is the dou square u by dou x square. Dou square u by dou y square is plus x square plus z square minus y square. Dou square u by dou z square is x square plus y square minus z square. Here plus z square minus z square cancel, plus y square minus y square cancel, plus x square minus x square cancel. It is equal to 2 into x square plus y, 1 x square plus y square plus z square, and one denominator power is cancelled. The numerator terms, what are they? X square plus y square plus z square. In the denominator, x square plus y square plus z square. Both will get cancelled. So it is equal to 2. This is the RHS. Therefore, x square plus y square plus z square into dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square equal to 2. It is the verification or show that or prove that. Okay. Just you can concentrate about variables and in which variable we are differentiating. Just you concentrate on that only. Then easily. Okay. And I wrote here similarly dou square u by dou y square, dou square u by dou z square. You can solve it. Then you get good idea about that partial differentiation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Is it over?